And here I have my garden workstation where I put the sprinkler, the mini greenhouse, and then this is where I mix the soil. I have aloe vera there, and then I have the seeds here, and then I have the lamps there that I use when we do our backyard dinner. This is functional and really nice to have in the garden. This makes the garden like really pretty. Let's unbox this potting bench that was given to me by Yahi Tech. This is the brand name. These are the like screws, and then this is neatly like packed. User guide and all the like screws needed are here. So this is pretty easy to put together. This one is pre-assembled already. This one. They are numbered, so they are very easy to put together. Like this, that's 10. This is 4, for example. And then the screws are marked too, so you know which like screws you need to use. For example, this one is looking for A, so I'll use this A. This is where we can like put the potting soil, and just need to add this here. See, and then you can have the potting soil here. You can just move this, so you have like a sink here, and then you can put it together like that, and then you can have the potting soil here. You can just move this. This is made of 100% fir wood, and look at the exquisite craftsmanship. I super like my new garden workstation.